Good morning, homeroom. It is Monday, April 20th. I hope you all had a good weekend and are ready to start out this new week on a good foot. And it's the first 5-day week in 3 weeks. So hopefully you'll have plenty of time to get everything done. And yeah, let's do our daily greeting. So your precept for the day is do a deed of simple kindness. Though its end you may not see, it may reach like widening ripples down a long eternity. So a simple act of kindness goes a long way. All right, our agenda for the day. I just realized I had to change the date. So our agenda for the day, we're going to look at our weekly guide for week 4. And then I'm also going to show you the checklist for week 4. We will have our live read aloud at 10, and we have a new activity for this week to earn homework passes. So we're going to be playing a game of categories each day. So today would be round 1. So I'm going to bring a paper and pencil with you. Small group meetings, I know I just met with you guys on Friday, so it's kind of up to you. If you want to meet, I'll be in my WebEx room, but at 10:30 would be Akash, Marcus, and Amory. At 12:30 would be Tram and Tenzin. And then after we go through the guide, we will come back and do our Mindful Monday question. All right, so when you guys are in your homeroom, you have this dashboard, this page that's up on top. And in it, there are links to the folders below. The links bring you straight to this week's information. You can also find the information in the folders. So for example, if you click on the weekly guidelines and playlist for this week, it is going to bring you straight to week 4's PDF. All right, and the top of the PDF is the same, so nothing has changed up here. Office hours are the same, and then here is your playlist for the week. So in CC1 this week, most of you guys have taken care of this from what I understand, but review that unit vocabulary still, and if you need to retake the quiz, go ahead and do that. There's a Desmos activity with a link in there for lesson 621, and then we split up the rest of the lessons. So Mr. Major did a video for lessons 622 and 623, and then I did a video for 624 and 625. So no matter who you have, you are going to watch these 2 videos and take notes and then submit your notes for the week. There is 1 assignment to show your learning from these lessons. You have a choice in how you can do that. So you can either do that through Flipgrid or through a learning log written type thing. And then there is a Schoology puzzle piece quiz in there. And we are having, all CC1 teachers are hosting a live lesson this Friday, which the date is wrong on that. It's the 24th at 9:30. All right, CC2, you have your learning target 3. It's the last learning target in the lesson, or in this unit. So you need to work your way through the folders. I have a separate video in that course for you guys. We do also have a live lesson this Thursday at 9 a.m. ELA, you are done with your collection 4. So this week is really just reviewing. So there's a Kahoot review in there. You need to turn in your final completed treasure map. And then there's a collection 4 test. This is going to allow you guys some extra time to catch up on missing assignments. So some people were complaining that they were feeling a little overwhelmed and were getting behind. Well, you don't have a lot to do in ELA this week. And honestly, math is a little slim too. Desmos watching 2 videos, and then you only have 1 assignment and a quiz. So hopefully this week will give you guys some time to get caught up for those of you. Targeted reading, you need to go in and look or watch your teacher's message. If you're in block 1, Miss Fritzy, there's going to be a special message for you guys, so look out for that. Science, energy and heat, you have a video, a Discovery Ed assignment, and a puzzle piece quiz. And then your Unit 6 summative in social studies. So there's 3 pieces to it. There's a puzzle piece quiz, there's an immigrant experience comparison chart to fill out, and progressive error Flipgrid, which is what we did last week. So you need to do all 3 pieces for them, or for that, and then again catch up on missing work. So I know it's our first 5-day week, but we tried to lessen the load a little bit to allow you guys some time to catch up on past assignments, and hopefully then next week we can start fresh, since most of these are kind of wrapping up units. So it's kind of perfect timing too. All right, so we're going to go out of here, and I'm actually going to go back to the 6A weekly guidelines and playlists folder. So if you click on this folder from the home page, so don't, whoops, that's what I want to do. So don't click here, go down to the folder, 6A weekly guidelines and playlists, and then you will have the guide that we just went over and your week 4 checklist as well. So this checklist is a brilliant idea for you to put into Notability and actually check everything off, or like I said, print it out. But you can see it is all on one page, so there's a lot less for you guys this week. But this really lays it out step by step in order, what to look for. So there's that for you guys as well. All right, so we went through the guide, we went through the checklist. Going to finish the chapter about the sorting hat and our categories round 1 today at 10 small group meetings, and our question of the day, which you are going to respond to in the discussion post in our homeroom course. It is a Mindful Monday, which we haven't had for a while, so a nice way to start our week. And your question for your Mindful Monday is, who are the people that support me in this life, and how can I spend more time with them? So in our time of self-quarantine and stay-at-home orders and learning from home, is there anyone who is really supporting you that you really appreciate? And then how can you spend more time with them? Show them that. So I look forward to seeing your answers and your responses in Schoology, and I will see you all at 10 o'clock this morning. Have a great morning.